Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi problem in Windows 7 and Windows 10 computer. There are several reasons that could cause this to happen. Number 1, it could be because of when Wi-Fi is disabled. Number 2, some laptops have either a button above or around the laptop or a function combo key to control the Wi-Fi. Number 3, when you are upgrading your Windows to the latest updates, in that case the Wi-Fi drivers become outdated. Whatever the problem is, here's the best solution that can surely help to fix the problem. So let's get started. At first, you need to check either a button above or around the laptop or a function combo key to enable and disable the Wi-Fi. As you can see, in my case, function plus F3 key combination have given to enable and disable the Wi-Fi. If your laptop has this feature, then just press the button or function combo key to enable the Wi-Fi. Okay, as you can see, now our Wi-Fi is working properly. If not still solved your problem, then just restart your laptop and be ready to enter your PC's BIOS with hitting on F2 key. Next, find wireless device settings under main tab or advanced tab or configuration tab. In this laptop BIOS has not this kind of feature. If your laptop BIOS has this feature, then just enable the Wi-Fi from there. After that, just press F10 key on the keyboard or go to exit tab to saving changes and exit from BIOS. If you are lucky, then this simple method may solve your problem. If this occurred due to wireless device driver, then insert the driver's installation CD, DVD or USB flash drive which was given to you when you bought your computer. After that, install the wireless network driver software from that. After that, hopefully your problem will be solved. Okay, it's working properly. Before doing this method, I will suggest you to create a manual system restore point for your system. Note, this is recommended for safety purpose. If anything occurs wrong after doing this method, then this manual system restore point will help to recover your system. Okay, now just follow the screen instruction to create a manual system restore point. Once done, at first you need to find the Wi-Fi hardware information using HW info. You can download HW info on your smartphone, then move it to your computer and install it. After that, expand network information directory, then you will see your Wi-Fi hardware information. Now you need to download Wi-Fi driver software from wireless network hardware manufacturer website according to your computer's wireless network hardware. Also, you can download Wi-Fi driver software by googling. After downloading, now extract it. Next, go to Device Manager. Next, go to Action and click on Add Legacy Hardware. Then click on Next. After that, select Recommended option and click on Next. And Next. Now scroll and select Network Adapters. Then click Next. Next, select Intel Corporation from Manufacturer option. Now scroll and select Intel Wi-Fi link 5100BG. Then click on Next and Next. Then click on Finish. Next, go to Device Manager and select Intel Wi-Fi link 5100BG and right click on it and just disable it. Now right click on this and click Update Driver. Choose the option Browse my computer for driver software. After that, select Let me pick from a list of device drivers on my computer. Then click Have Disk button and click Browse. Now select and open the extracted Wi-Fi driver folder according to your system architecture for 64-bit or 32-bit. Now select .inf file according to your PC system for 32-bit or 64-bit. After that, click Open and click OK. Now select the wireless network adapter model number. Once done, click Next. Now wait and let it for install the Wi-Fi driver. Okay, as you can see the message, our device driver software was successfully installed. Now let me show you by wirelessly connecting to the internet. Okay, it's working properly. So I hope this simple guide was helpful for you. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.